just got to Croatia. I love it already. I feel like we're gonna thrive here. How cute is this place? God bless Croatia. There's AC here. Yes. London, we were dying. We haven't been able to sleep. Dude, we've been counting down. It's been so hot and our place didn't have AC. We've literally, this is comical, have been getting up every like couple hours to wet towels and put them on our like naked bodies because we're so hot.
Not kidding.
Not a joke. But we're in Croatia. Our driver was great. We were kind of singing along with him. He was like, could you hear him singing? It was
yeah, we were fully
karaokeing. It's like 8 p.m. kicking off our Croatia adventures. And Adrian and I are about to go meet up with my friend Danny, who's my tour guide on my last trip to where did I last go? To Italy and France.
I stole these from Milan, so everyone.
Yeah. Walk in our hotel room and we have some vino and a little note. Aww. We have this bed, number 1, which is already huge and nice. Little bathroom set up. And then I walked this way and we have another bed. Sweet life of Morgan and Adrian. What up, people? Kicking off the Croatia vlogs. I just got to split with Adrian last night. We were in London for a few days. Roll that footage. First full day here in London. Hello to the heat. Yum. Miss you. I already ate one when you were opening. They were really good. Bittersweet goodbye. But I am currently now in Split, kicking off a trip with EF Ultimate Break. This is my 4th trip with EF. You guys are probably familiar if you've heard me talk about them or you've been watching those vlogs from Greece trips or my Spain and Portugal trip. I've been doing stuff with them for a long time. I'll tell you more about it later on. But it's a group travel company. We are about to meet up with our group. I never been nervous for this, and I don't know why I'm like nervous right now. This trip's called Cruise Croatia Split to Split, so we start and finish in the city of Split. We have a couple days here, but then we get on a boat and we live on a boat for like 6 days and just bop around the different islands. So we're about to go meet up with everyone in our group and with our friend Jessie, who works for the company, who was on our Greece trip a couple years ago as well. It's just gonna be a grand fun time, so let's go. Danny! Yeah.
Danny!
What do you have to say to the world?
Darn, I don't want to be on camera. I'm not a guy.
With our local guide, and then now we are setting off on our first optional excursion. The whole trip's actually going on. It's to a waterfall. We're going to a waterfall. A waterfall. Like an hour away. What?
Oh, I look good.
Jessie, we miss you. We back. We back. Morgan's sweaty.
Adrian is also sweaty.
Here's the squad.
Inside the park there is also an island.
Just arrived at the excursion. This is called what? Kirka. Everyone in our group opted to come, which is awesome because with EF a lot of things are already included, but then there are usually like 2 or 3 optional things that you like pay a little more for on the trip if you want to go. It's a water shoe showdown. We're about to go get in the waterfall. Same. Don't even think about coming here without shoes. Odds I fall. Hi. My balance is worse than I thought. This is like all uneven rocks. I'm thinking I'm stopping and then I pass the rock I think I'm stopping on. Jessie, how you feeling?
Oh my god.
Go that way. cheesecake. I use like a pound of it. So tonight, we just got dinner with another girl from the group. We came back from the waterfalls and everyone was dead. Like everyone was just out. So we're going to bed. That is all for day one. Also, I haven't said yet, but if you want to book this trip or any trip with the F, I have a code that I've had for years. Still works. Morgan 100. Actually, I feel like it might only work for like 6 more months or something. I think they could be changing that. But Morgan 100 will get you $100 off a trip. We're in day 2. Today we have another optional excursion and we're going to Bosnia and specifically Mostar, which is where there's this really pretty like bridge. I think we only have like 4 days. I think we have 4 hours there. How many times did I misspeak in a vlog? It's like 8 a.m. right now, I'm sleepy.
In Bosnia today. So we are getting some lunch, heading back. It's gonna be a day.
How many times do you anticipate tripping on this ground? 2? You tripped like 7 on the flat ground. This would focus.
Centered right now.
Oh, okay. Crazy. Hello vlog. It's been a day. Adrian and I are also in such a goofy mood. We've just been in a weird mood this whole trip in a great way. They were thinking yesterday, we were like, wow, there's no one annoying on this trip. No one seems dramatic. Seems like a really good group. And we were like, oh, we're the most annoying. Anyways, really great group of people. We've been bonding over the past 24 hours. Did this start last night?
No, 2 nights.
Oh, 2 nights ago. Whew, thank God. I was about to be like, I'm in a time warp. It's been a day. We went on that excursion to Bosnia. Now we've had a free evening. We're about to go to dinner, meet up with the rest of the crew. I think we're gonna go to... And then tomorrow we get on our boat and we might have a beach day in the morning, but it's at 9 a.m. so man, so we're gonna see. Okay, bye. Outfit of the night. Working some little leather pants number. Love beachy, like, abroad experiences because when you're going out you wear sandals. We're at a bougie little dinner. Oh ha ha. Yummy. Also, last night we sit down for dinner and the table beside us of this entire world, this entire city, this entire restaurant, we sit down beside this guy that we met in Greece 2 years ago on an EF trip. And then we were like, what in the world? And they were here at the same time. Isn't that wild? Steak City. What'd you get to eat?
Fish, because you're like...
Split! Yeah!
Amazing! Perfect!
Amazing! You guys are so excited.
Good morning! Today is such an exciting day because we're getting on our boat in approximately T-minus like 6 minutes.